Chapter 5. The Emperor's Emergency. Calm. It's 2 minutes before the biggest presentation of your career. Your hands are shaking. Your mind has gone completely blank. Your heart is beating so fast you're worried people will hear it through your shirt. We've all been there. That moment when anxiety doesn't just visit, it takes over completely. When all the philosophy in the world feels useless against the raw physical force of panic. But here's something remarkable. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the Roman Empire, faced moments just like this, leading armies into battle, making life and death decisions that affected millions, dealing with plagues and political crises that would crush most people. And he developed a technique that could bring him back to center in less than a minute. A practice so simple, so powerful that it's been used by everyone from ancient emperors to modern Navy SEALs. Marcus Aurelius described human beings as consisting of 3 parts: a little flesh and breath, and the ruling part. The flesh, your body; the breath, your life force; the ruling part, your mind, your ability to choose your response. He recognized that when anxiety overwhelms us, we lose touch with these basic components of our existence. We get trapped in mental loops about the past or future, disconnected from the present reality of our physical selves. So he developed what I call the Emperor's Emergency Calm, a 1-minute reset that grounds you in present reality and engages your rational mind. Here's how it works. First 30 seconds, focus entirely on your breath, not trying to change it, just observing it. Marcus Aurelius described breath as air, and not always the same, but every moment sent out and again sucked in. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, leaving your body. This connects you to your physical reality right here, right now. Second 30 seconds. Engage your ruling part. Ask yourself the fundamental Stoic question we learned earlier. Is this worry about something within my control? Remind yourself that external things do not touch the soul. Your inner tranquility comes from your judgments, not your circumstances. Let's try this together right now. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you want to, or just soften your gaze. First, your breath. Feel it coming in and going out. Don't force it, just observe it. Notice how it happens automatically, connecting you to this present moment. 10 more seconds of just breathing and breathing. Now engage your mind. Think of something that's been worrying you lately. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If yes, what's one small action you could take? If no, practice letting it go. You are safe in this moment. You have everything you need right now to handle whatever comes. Open your eyes, take a deep breath. How do you feel? Even in just 60 seconds, you've reconnected with your physical self and engaged your rational mind. This isn't just relaxation, it's empowerment. The next time anxiety hits, remember Marcus Aurelius. Remember that you are flesh, breath, and the ruling part. Ground yourself in your body through breath awareness, then engage your mind through the question of control. This technique works because it addresses anxiety at its source, the disconnection between your present reality and your mental projections. When you return to your breath, you return to now. When you engage your rational mind, you reclaim your power to choose your response. And that brings us to the ultimate truth about anxiety.